Make the girls go crazy.
Yo, what up guys? So, yes, you were probably noticing that I did shave. I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys today. My buddy is hooking me up, and he's going to do a cat delete, and he's gonna weld it in. That would make our whole exhaust a straight pipe. Yeah. We're gonna go to his house right now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Yo guys, so we're getting it lifted up right now. Oh shit, it is me. Yo, what am I? Yo, it is me. What the f? What am I leaking actually? That's... Doggo, what's up? Yep. So I guess I was dreading on telling you guys, but yeah, there's fucking oil everywhere. Literally, I don't think when the downpipe went on, I don't think they put back on oil return hose clamp, so that could be the problem. And yeah, there's hella oil. Just check the oil and half a quart, so, or half a dipstick.
What? I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I got lucky. Alright guys, it is the next day, and I didn't have a lot of time. I had to kind of run a couple things, so I couldn't get the footage of the vehicle and how it sounded after we put in, after we actually deleted the cat. So I'm gonna run outside. It is pretty freaking cold today. Literally, I believe it's like 8 degrees. So with that being said, it's gonna be cold. I don't know if it's gonna start, but you're definitely gonna hear a cold start because literally I haven't even drove it today, so it's gonna be the most authentic thing we could do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna take you guys with us, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we got. I got some parts for the Civic, the new Civic, so stay tuned all of this week because I have different parts coming in, and I think it's time to show some love, guys, to the Civic. I am telling you right now, it is time to show some love, and I'm like, geez, it has been a minute. I don't know how many fans I have that actually like the Civic, but if you do, stay tuned because it is gonna get crazy. I am trying to do like a show car build with that because I think it'd just be cool just to have a daily show car. Like, I mean, not so much for where like it's a SEMA car, because that's physically impossible to be driving and have a SEMA car. But you know what I mean? Something that I could just pull up after having the car wash and washing it and everything. Hey, you know, I want to do bags, but you know, we'll see, guys. So stay tuned, because that is all gonna happen on this channel. I will promise you guys that. All right. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and get it. Walking to the car. You can kind of see she's right over there. Can't really show you guys what I got just quite yet. It's kind of a little bit of surprise. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up.
Xí phào phao phao, Ting thao thi ting. Ping 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 ping, VTech.
Yo, I hope that captured it all. Literally, I'm gonna be so mad if that didn't, because I guess we'll find out, right? Post, edit, productions. Man, it's so freaking cold out here. It's ridiculous. Goodbye to her, guys. Yeah. Ah, that's what I was gonna do. Not so far. Gotta bring her in. Even though I'm not blonde, I got a blonde. What is classified as a blonde? At least she started though. She started no problem. Holy shit. Dude. So cold, guys, literally. So we'll let it kind of sit in here, kind of warm up a little bit while that's happening. I'll probably just stay tuned. I'll see you guys back when I pick it up. All right.